Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow English Stories, where you can listen to inspiring stories in simple English and improve your listening skills. Today's story is called How Small Steps Create Big Changes. It's about a young woman who learns that even the smallest actions, when done every day, can lead to big success. Let's begin our story slowly and enjoy each word together. Chapter 1. The Girl with Big Dreams. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emma who lived in a small town by the river. She had big dreams. She wanted to become a writer and publish her own book someday. But there was one problem. She never started. Every time she thought about writing, she felt scared and said, "I don't have time. I'm not ready yet." Emma worked at a local bakery. She woke up early every morning, baked bread, and served customers with a smile. After work, she was always tired. "Tomorrow," she told herself, "I will start writing tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. Days turned into months, and her dream stayed a dream. One evening, Emma's best friend, Lily, said, "Emma, why don't you just write 1 page a day? You don't have to finish a book in 1 week." Emma laughed. "1 page? That's too small." Lily smiled and said, "Maybe small, but powerful. Remember, big things start small." That night, Emma couldn't sleep. She kept thinking about her friend's words. Chapter 2. The First Step. The next morning, Emma woke up early before going to work. She sat by her small wooden table, opened an old notebook, and wrote her first line. It was not perfect. It was not even long, but it was a beginning. For the first time, she didn't just dream, she acted. Every day after that, Emma wrote a little more. Some days she wrote 1 page. Some days only a few sentences. But she never stopped. Slowly, her notebook began to fill with words, ideas, and feelings. Even when she felt tired, she reminded herself, "Just 1 small step. That's enough for today." After a few weeks, she looked at her notebook and smiled. She had already written 30 pages. She said to herself, "Wow! I can't believe I did this just by writing a little every day." She finally understood what her friend meant. Small steps really can make a big difference. Chapter 3. The Challenge. However, the journey was not easy. 1 month later, the bakery became busier. Emma had to work extra hours, and she felt too tired to write. Some nights she fell asleep with her pen still in her hand. "Maybe I should stop for a while," she thought. But deep down, she knew that if she stopped, she might never start again. One evening, when she was about to give up, she saw a little boy in the bakery trying to tie his shoelaces. He tried many times, and finally, he smiled when he got it right. Emma watched him and thought he didn't stop trying. He took small steps until he succeeded. That moment gave her new strength. She went home and wrote again, even if it was only one sentence. It wasn't perfect, but she was proud. "It doesn't matter how slow I go," she whispered. "What matters is that I don't stop."
Chapter 4. The First Success. 6 months later, Emma finally finished her storybook. It was not very long, but it was full of heart. She decided to share it online, just to see what people would think. To her surprise, many readers loved it. They said her story was warm, simple, and inspiring. Some even said, "Your words gave me hope." Emma couldn't believe it. Her small daily effort had created something that touched people's hearts. She felt so proud that she cried with happiness. Her dream, which once felt impossible, had come true because she took small steps every day. Soon, a small publisher contacted her. They wanted to print her book. It wasn't a big company, but for Emma, it was more than she ever hoped for. When she held her first printed book, she whispered, "This is the power of small steps. I didn't rush. I just kept moving forward." Chapter 5. The Big Change. After her book was published, Emma became a local inspiration. She was invited to schools and libraries to talk about her story. She always told people the same thing. You don't need to take big steps to change your life. You only need to take small ones, but take them every day. Emma continued to write new stories. She also helped other young writers start their own journeys. Many of them said, "I don't have time," and Emma smiled, replying, "Neither did I, but I made time. You can too. Just start small." Years later, when Emma looked back, she realized that her biggest change began with one small page, one quiet morning, one tiny step. Her life was proof that consistency and patience could turn dreams into reality. And she never forgot the simple truth: small steps create big changes. So, dear listeners, what can we learn from Emma's story? We learn that success doesn't happen overnight. Big changes come from small, steady actions done every single day. Even if your steps are tiny, keep walking. One day you'll look back and see how far you've come. Thank you for listening to Slow English Stories. I hope you enjoyed how small steps create big changes. If this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Remember, your English learning, your goals, your dreams, all begin with small steps. Take one today, keep going tomorrow, and one day you'll reach your dream. See you again soon, and as always, keep learning slowly, but never stop.